Variation. There's direct, inverse, and joint. This was part 2 of 3. This is on inverse. Welcome to Mark's Math Methods. Inverse variation. Algebraic translation from English. So in English it would look like this. Y varies inversely as x. Y is inversely proportional to x. We would write it as y equals k divided by x. The varies inversely as, inversely proportional to, is the equals k divided by. I don't like the horizontal. I would be writing it vertical. Y equals k divided by x. Steps for solving variation problems. Translate from English into generic form. Identify the type of variation, and then write out the generic equation. Plug in given values. Solve for the k value. Rewrite the equation using the k value. This is in the generic form. Well, the only thing will be the k number. If requested, plug in given values to solve for the missing value. The whole reason for doing this is find k so you can use it to find other values. Let's try a problem. Example 1. The volume V of a gas varies inversely as the pressure P upon it. For a certain gas, the volume of gas is 200 centimeters cubed under a pressure of 32 kilograms per centimeter squared. What will be its volume under a pressure of 40 kilograms per centimeter squared? Step 1, translate. You need to identify the type. It says varies inversely as, so it's equals k divided by. Write out the generic form. Well, in front of that phrase is the V for volume, and after it is P for pressure. Plug in given values. Well, we're told that the volume is 200 and that the pressure is 32. Solve for the k value. So I got to multiply both sides by 32. I get k is 6,400. Rewrite using the k number. So V equals 6,400 over k. And if requested, plug in to solve for the missing piece. So they want to know what the volume is when the pressure is 40. So the volume is 16 centimeters cubed. The volume was given to us in centimeters cubed, so unit stays the same. Let's try another one. Example 2. The time t it takes to make a bicycle trip varies inversely as the rate r at which you pedal. For a certain trip, it took 5 hours when you pedal at a leisurely 12 miles per hour. How long would it take if you pedaled at 20 miles per hour? So translate. Look for the type. It says varies inversely, so it's equals k divided by. Write out the generic equation. T, time, is in front of that phrase, and r, rate or speed, is after that phrase. Plug in given values. We're told it took 5 hours, so that's t, and we did it 12 miles per hour. Solve for k, so k turns out to be 60. Rewrite, so we plug in the k number, t equals 60 over r. And if requested, which it does request, what would be the time when r is 60 or 20? So we plug it in and we get 3 hours. I hope the presentation was helpful. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment. And if you have any problem types you'd like me to demonstrate, there's my address.